Hi, this is Carrie with Trauma Services. Local government's daily operations are crucial in ensuring the safety and well-being of our communities. From boards of health to our first responders, housing authorities, schools, and building inspectors, to our diligent opioid and drug control task forces, your work is of paramount importance. However, the range of challenges you face dealing with dangers such as fentanyl contamination, unattended deaths, managing public spaces affected by human waste or drug paraphernalia, and navigating through incidents of hoarding or squalor require a specialized response. This is where Trauma Services steps in as a trusted ally. As New England's largest dedicated biohazard remediation provider, we have over 3 decades of industry experience. With 3 strategically located facilities and over 100 full-time professionals on staff, our team is ready and available to respond 24 hours a day. We've worked with hundreds of cities and towns across the Northeast and understand the nuances and urgencies of your needs. From bedbug outbreaks in public housing to bodily fluid incidents in schools, we ensure rapid, discreet, and professional cleanup services. Our mission is simple: to support you in keeping our communities safe, clean, and resilient. To request more information about the services we provide or to schedule a free biohazard training for your city or town, click the link below.